Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk through a new feature on the Shopkick app, which we like to call e-receipts. As a user, you're now able to earn kicks for your online purchases at promoted retailers on the app. So what exactly are e-receipts? Shopkick defines an e-receipt as an email confirmation of your purchase order at a promoted retailer. E-receipts are a great way to continue to get rewarded for your everyday shopping needs. Simply connect your email and let Shopkick do the work for you. Alright, now that we've got that squared away, let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is link your email to the Shopkick app. The easiest way to do that is to navigate to the Online tab, as I'm doing here, and find an e-receipt retailer. So as you can see, Walmart Pickup and Delivery is an e-receipt retailer. I'm going to go ahead and click on that tile, and it will take me to the details of the Walmart page. On this details page, you'll be able to view all the ongoing promotions we have running for this particular retailer. As you can see, we're currently offering kicks for Dollar Shave Club razors. Because I haven't linked my email yet, I'm going to go ahead and click on the link your email button to get the process started. You will then be taken to a screen that explains how to earn kicks with e-receipts and what the value is to you as a user. So now that I've read through this, I'm going to click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you will be taken to a screen where you can select which email provider you want to connect to the app. We currently support AOL, Outlook, and Yahoo email providers. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Outlook account. As you can see, I'm now taken to a screen where Shopkick is explaining why the app is requesting email access and what it's doing with your data. Shopkick values user privacy and security very highly and does not save any of the credentials you enter for your email. So I've read through all of this. I'm going to go ahead and click Agree, because I do, and then click Continue. I'm then taken to the Outlook login screen, where I can enter my credentials to enable account linking. Again, Shopkick does not log any of your credentials throughout this process. As I have successfully entered the credentials for my Outlook email, I'm now taken to a screen where Outlook is asking me if I want to grant access to the Shopkick app. As data privacy concerns have raised in recent years, this is a very common screen you will get across all email providers when a third-party app requests access to particular services. You will need to grant access to Shopkick in order for e-receipts to successfully function. Once I've granted access, I get an overlay communicating that my email has been successfully connected. I am taken back to the initial e-receipt detail screen where I can view my linked email address. As you can see on the screen, you're able to unlink your email at any point in time by clicking on the Unlink button shown next to your email. So I've navigated back to the Walmart Pickup and Delivery page. You can see that it looks a bit different. By clicking on the Shop Now button, you will be taken to the retailer's homepage, in this case, walmart.com. By clicking Check for e-receipts, you are essentially letting Shopkick know that you have new e-receipts and you want the app to scan your inbox. Shopkick is only looking for emails from promoted retailers. In this case, for Walmart, we are specifically looking for the email alias help@walmart.com in order to validate your Walmart e-receipts. Let's go ahead and purchase one of these products being promoted. Given my current shaving patterns, I think I'll opt for the 4-pack of the razors. I've tapped on the Shop Now button, and it will link me to the product page of the promotion. I'm going to go ahead and hit Add to Cart and complete my info for the Walmart order. I'm going to click Checkout and start filling out the order information. I'll see you on the other side of this transaction when the products have been purchased. Hello again. I've entered my shipping and payment information and I'm ready to place the order for my Dollar Shave Club razors. Once I click Place Order, I will be taken to an order confirmation screen on the Walmart website. I should also be receiving my e-receipt for this purchase right about now. It's a good practice to always check to see if you got your order confirmation email before heading into the Shopkick app to redeem your e-receipt kicks. So I've made my purchase and I've confirmed that I have received an e-receipt for my purchase in my email inbox. I've navigated back to the Walmart Pickup and Grocery Store in the Online tab within the app. I'm going to tap on Check for e-receipts to let Shopkick know that I have some new e-receipts in my inbox that need some attention. So here I am tapping on the Check for e-receipts button. We're going to give it a sec to scan your inbox for recent emails. Shopkick scans for e-receipts within the last 14 days. And voila, it looks like it's found my receipt for the Dollar Shave Club. I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And now Shopkick is processing my e-receipt for kicks. Once Shopkick has processed my e-receipt and deemed it valid for the promotion, you will get an overlay stating kicks have been awarded. Additionally, you'll be able to find the products you've been awarded for in the Kicks activity screen. Since my e-receipt is still processing, here is an account that has successfully been awarded for a purchase. As you can see, you're able to see a line item breakdown of the products you've been awarded for with the associated kick grant. And there you have it, the end-to-end experience of our e-receipt feature. We hope it helps a lot of you out there during this pandemic. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching.